What'd we build?
Bee feeder.
We built us a bee feeder.
I think it works.
I think it works too. We've decided we're gonna have to be extra cautious though, because the bees are liable to defend this. You know, I mean, we've got some serious feeding going on. We're gonna have to be careful, extra careful. Bee feeder is successful. We've had a rain, and we're not sure if it's the rain or what, but the bee feeder's empty. And so we're thinking next time we're going to take this right here and sit it on top, sort of a shield to keep the rain from coming directly down on the little doohickeys. I'm gonna kill me a wasp. There we go. Uh-oh. I accidentally set the bee feeder down on a bee when I wiggled it. And they're working real hard to get the last little bit out of this corner over here. But it definitely, the bee feeder needs a roof.
Yes.
We figured it out. The sugar water had gotten down below the holes on some of the holes. And so I sort of swished it around in a circle. I picked it up and swished it around, and that got the holes full of sugar, and now they're happy little bees. Because all the holes, all the troughs are full of sugar now, sugar water. And so now they can spread out more. I'm telling you, this bee feeder rocks. All right, so the bees are very in love with the sugar water. And they drank it really fast. Where you at, baby?
I'll tie my shoe now.
He's tying his shoe. And they've done come over here and licking off the outside edges of it. They've been chasing us all the way out of the house. And within seconds, they're back on it.
Off the trough still up.
Don't stand in front of the camera. I believe so. Check it and see. When they said that the bees love this recipe, they were very serious about it.
They waller in it.
They just roll around in it like a drunkard. I guess we're gonna put this on it to try to keep the rain out of it some. I don't think we got a brick out here to put on it. Well, I suppose I could steal one from this one here and bring another one down later for it. When I was making the sugar water in the house, and he went down here and got the bucket, and they chased you all the way up to the house. And then he was trying to rinse it out with the water hose, and they was after him. He set it down on the porch, and they were out there just licking any residue off of it they could find. And within minutes of setting it down, they're already on it again. And they're down in there in the cement block, licking the residue off the cement blocks that overspilled. And they're like, it's finger licking good. So I'm gonna let the camera sit here for a minute, and I'll bring you back and we'll see how fast it gets covered. They're drinking it through a straw. I thought you'd enjoy that.